now you can do, right? So we'll see now the basics of rest assured. So that we are creating a Maven project now. We are giving a project name REST API demo. Then it's a Maven project, and we click finish now. Yeah, you click finish now. Okay, now right, it is a Maven project. First, we should copy the dependencies, right? Your form.xml dependencies we should do. Okay. Same thing like what we did in our Selenium, we should add the dependencies now. Okay. For that, we'll go to Google. Okay. We'll go to Google. Right. We'll close the other tabs. Right. Okay. Now Google. You will find right rest assured. You first will go to the official site of rest assured. Okay. We'll go to the official site of rest assured. Right. You scroll down. Okay. Can you go to that release downloads? Right. Yeah. Click it. Okay. If you click right, you will see what are the dependencies jars you should download. You can see right. For example, if you see right, rest assured. Scroll down, sir. You see right, rest assured the current version right, 4.3.1. JSON path in left side you can see right, XML path. So and these are the basic dependencies where will be using for that. Like same thing right, in Selenium we use Selenium, Java, like TestNG, Apache Py, right? Then we'll use HTML unit driver. Uh, we'll use multiple dependencies, right? Same things. There are some basic dependencies for right rest assured, JSON path, XML path, right? Then we can use JSON schema, and later further dependencies we'll add later. Okay, we'll add TestNG. So this will be integrated with TestNG. We'll add TestNG now. Okay. Future we might need Apache Py. We can add dependencies also. Okay. Can you go to the Eclipse now? Okay. Same thing in can you go to Google and can you search for Maven REST assured dependency? Can you go to Google and can you search it for Maven REST assured dependency? Just one sample will show it. We'll copy from our old project. Just one sample, right? Maven dependency. You can search like this. Copy there. Okay, go there, right? And you can copy this dependency and you can paste, right? So you can copy this dependency 4 point latest one you go 4.3.1, you can copy this dependency and you can paste. Can you go copy this one and go and create a dependency tag in your project? Add dependency tag there. Okay, now right, now this will be a basic. Now you can go to your previous project and copy the TestNG and other dependencies, right? Like this you can download. I hope you all know how to download the dependencies since you're all aware of Selenium, right? So you can copy this dependency, JSON simple, you can copy, right? Apache, PY, and TestNG, all these 4 dependencies you can copy and paste it there. Okay, now we are going to update the project. Okay, Satish, can you copy the dependencies and paste that in the chat? you're done, right? Now we'll go and create a basic class now. We'll go and create a base class now. Yeah. Now you will create an attest, right? We'll create an attest and a method now. I should add import the test-ng library. Okay, then the test-ng annotation we should do, guys. So these are the basic things we should do. Now, right? Right first we have to initiate that endpoint. Yesterday we saw, right? First, what endpoint you are going to do? First, we should initiate that one. Rest assured dot base URI equal to what URI we are going to automate, right? So we can give our own change test automation, right? Endpoint, okay, which we have. Okay, now you go there and give the endpoint. Yeah, we'll just see now today only the post one. Okay, so how to create a resource, right? So we'll do that one. Okay, so you can try with the given rest assured dot given. So given means we can give our input here. Okay, so what are the inputs we are going to give? That we can give here. Log dot all. Then we'll give the body here. Okay, so you copy the body there. Okay. There is some root here. Tomorrow I'll see that. This is only a basic class, right? We can keep the body outside the separate class. We're just seeing the basic thing. Wait, right? We will see that one by one we'll go. Okay. So then we'll give right. We'll give the resource now, right? We'll give when dot right post. We'll give the resource now. API slash input PHP, right? So now we are giving the input. So as I told you, right, post will create a resource. Okay, the post with the help of post method, right, will create a resource. So we are going to try and creating a resource, new resource now. Okay, so with the help of your rest assured. Okay, now you give dot. Then dot status code. We'll check the status code. We'll log all. Yeah, we'll log all. Then you will give status code. Yeah. Then uh, okay, then you give dot and we'll check right now you run the code. So now you got right. So you can see that, right? You got the status okay, and you got a message now, right? Data inserted successfully got, right? And you can see what is the HTTP 200 okay. You got the status okay. then you can see the body which you pass. If you go there, right, you'll see the body title, a body, right, author. You can see the body which you pass. Okay, so this is how you can create a resource. Yesterday we saw in Postman, right? Can you go to the Postman and show it? Yesterday we saw with a different API, right? So you posted something, right? Uh, you posted and click send, right? Can you click it? Click send. Okay, you got a response, right? Status, something. This is a different API now. So this, right, same, you can try. Okay. Can you give the same API and try, right? The same API which we did yesterday, can we replace with this one and we'll try it? Instead of change to automation, you give the that API, yeah, public void, yeah, T API. You can give dot log, right? Log, then all. Then we'll paste here the body here. Okay, so you copy the body, which is this is the API contract which we see yesterday on the Postman, right? Same thing. Then you give dot when. Okay, dot will give the resource now. Okay, you copy the resource from Postman and you can give that. And we'll give the query param also. We forgot to give the query param. We'll give in the given, right? We'll give the key and its value there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you check it? Go and check it. The value, if it is C capital letter, no, right? You just always copy and paste. Okay. Now, right? And you then. Then we'll check the same log all. Then we'll check the status code. Okay, so that's it, right? You run it and priority equal to 0 and priority equal to 1. Now, right? Now we'll run the code. Okay. You got right. This is for change to test automation. Ours API, and you can see down there API. Okay, so you can get this API. You can see the body here, the status there. Okay, and the status, right? The response also you can give. I see, right? Status. Okay, same thing. Which can you go and compare with the right Postman what you got? You can see the same status there. Okay, status based ID, so preference, right? You can see the same status there. Okay, so this is how you create a resource through REST assured and your Postman. So creating a resource means creating, right? Creating a new resource with the help of your Postman and REST assured. We'll see the continuation tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys.